Hello to all machine knitting enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to show you how to work with one of my tools, the unraveling carriage, compatible with the Silver Reed LK100 and LK150 plastic knitting machines. You can purchase it in my Etsy shop, My Creative Land Design. I'll leave the link to the shop in the description down below. Soon, it will also be available on my website, where you'll find even more bonuses. This carriage is designed specifically for these machines and is 3D printed using eco-friendly plastic. Please keep in mind that because it is made of plastic, you shouldn't apply excessive force when using it. Also, be sure not to store it in direct sunlight. If you follow these simple guidelines, your carriage will serve you well for a very long time. To start knitting, I'll be using my modular cast-on comb. I actually have a separate video showing exactly how to use it. When using this comb, we always begin with waste yarn. Knit a few rows, and then switch to our main project yarn. Place the unraveling carriage on the same side as your main working yarn. When setting it up, make sure that the groove on the back of the carriage fits properly onto the guide rail. Unravel the first and last 1 or 2 stitches by hand. This will make it easier for the carriage to unravel the rest of your knitted piece. Doing this will help the carriage glide smoothly across the machine. Thank you for watching, and happy knitting!